Welcome the our channel. Today we how to update Airtable bases with synced views and permissions step by step clearly. Open Airtable and log into your account. Navigate to the base you want to update. In the left sidebar, locate the Views section. Click on the view you want to sync. In the view settings, look for the sync option. Select Sync this view. A prompt will appear asking for confirmation. Click Confirm to start syncing the view. Once synced, the view will display real-time data from the connected table. To update permissions, go to the Share button at the top right of your screen. Click on Share. In the sharing settings, you can manage who has access to the base. Use the drop-down menu to select user roles like editor or commenter. You can also invite new users by entering their email addresses. After inputting any new user emails, assign them a role. Click Invite to send them an invitation. For existing users, adjust their roles as necessary. To remove a user, click on the X next to their name. Make sure to save changes after updating permissions. Return to your synced view to ensure updates are visible. Verify that the data is displaying correctly after the sync. Continue to monitor permissions to ensure team members have the access they need. Your Airtable base is now updated with synced views and proper permissions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.